Riri done it again. Okay, sirs. No body love on this side. The girl is ready for the summer.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar. Yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey Beaten Bombays, Grenade Mar here. Thanks for tuning in. Joining me today is my girl Patrice. Patrice, where you at, girl?
Hurry up, or my edges give up.
Patrice is one of two hosts of the New York-based podcast Workingwhilewoke. I'll be dropping a link to her channel below. Make sure I'm pussy out here.
Bruh.
Today we will be reviewing the Fenty Body Lava.
This is actually my first impression. I actually bought it on a random Wednesday for $59. A little bit costly for my liking. It was limited edition, so I know that it did go away, but when it came back, I said, oh yeah, I have to get it. Is this your first time trying out the Fenty Body Lava?
Yes, this is my first time.
Okay, so this is our first impression of the Fenty Body Lava, and as you can tell, we are two different skin tones. So we're gonna see, you know, what it looks like on my skin tone and on her skin tone. Before we actually get into it, I wanted to talk about some reviews that I seen online about the Body Lava, so that we can make sure that we're avoiding the same mistakes that other people did make. So 1 to 2 pumps, and after the 1 or 2 pumps, you want to let it sink in your skin for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then that's when it will show its true color. So we're gonna test that theory out. 5 to 10 minutes and 1 to 2 pumps. Somebody also said 3 to 4 pumps. So which is it?
Sidebar. So I got something very similar way back in the day from Bath and Body Works, and it was a warm vanilla sugar body shimmer, whatever, and it smelled so good, but it wasn't like as pigmented as this, but it gave you like a nice I love it. It's pretty, and I feel like Trophy Wife is just so bright yellow, and you didn't lose it in the Body Lava. Like, it looks like the same pigmentation.
I do agree. I feel like this actually looks like a trophy, you know, like I feel like I'm just like so proud to be holding the Fenty Body Lava. But amazing inside the bottle. It's like, I want to
Let's put it on.
I want to
if it smells good. Let's put it on.
I feel like you need one.
Why?
Let me see if I can zoom in.
It is very, it's a lot. It's not easy to diffuse, but it's very pretty. It's not subtle at all.
So yeah, that 1 pump.
1 pump is plenty, depending on the body part, but 1 pump in one area. Let's spread it out, because look how shimmery it is. It actually smells really good.
And it does smell good. It's like a nice clean smell. You think so? Ooh, that's what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Now, you see what's going on? So I don't know if you guys can see the difference in shoulders.
Very bright.
Yeah, she's gonna do her chest, I'm gonna do my neck, and we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna do half my neck, she's gonna do half her chest.
I guess I could put it in concentrated places, because I don't need my entire chest to be sparkly, and I could have just put it on my collarbone. It looks like a Christmas card.
Thanks for tuning in to another bomb tutorial. Catch me right here for more content every Friday and Sunday. I'll also be doing bomb beauty tips on my social media at @grenade_mar. May your day be as bomb as you are. BOOYAW. Ready? So,
back and back
let me
out,
make sure that my puff doesn't make me look studdish.